You're lost. So, it all started in Oregon. It was a nice sunny day with a cool breeze, and you decided to ride your bike. And now, here you are, lost. Then, you suddenly see huge eyes glowing in the dark. Well, they're not just any eyes. You've seen the eyes of an owl. It starts chasing you. You run as fast as you can, then silence. You see behind if the owls stopped chasing you. Still chasing you. You run as fast as you can and hide. But it's not that effective. So, it all started 2 months ago. You traveled to another world. In this world, birds of prey are the size of planes. And in this world, it's very easy to hunt for them. And most birds of prey live in cities and they have to migrate. So they have to pass through cities. And their food is just running about down to the ground. Us humans. And it's easy for birds of prey to hunt in the wilderness too, because they eat elephants, buffalo, wildebeest, antelope, just whole. In this world, people would have to build security nets that wouldn't allow birds of prey to enter their homes. And one feather could protect a whole house. The golden eagle is mostly known as the king of the skies, and it can lift, really heavy weights, like a juvenile antelope. But now, in this world, it can lift elephants easily, like just lifting an insect. So, let's imagine that you're a brave adventurer who's trained a golden eagle. For that, you'd have to climb a mountain, then you'd have to carry an egg the size of your bed. Let's leave that. So now you've seen the golden eagle, and now you don't have to worry about the other birds, as you're riding on a golden eagle. You're lost.